Good morning. It's Monday, July 29th, 2024. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update. A lot to get to this morning. We're starting out with cloud cover, a few light showers around. They're going to hang around through the day today. Some strong to severe thunderstorms possible a little bit later on. And a heat wave is going to be back in our forecast as we head toward the end of the week. So we'll talk about all that as we take a look at the severe weather outlook for today. We do have a level 1 out of 5 severe weather risk for all of North Georgia, good part of Middle Georgia, Metro Atlanta over to Augusta, LaGrange in there as well, and Macon. And then tomorrow, level 1 out of 5 severe weather risk for the North Georgia mountains, over to Athens, Augusta, down to Springfield, and right to Savannah. So again, a few of these storms, not looking at a big tornado threat, but a few will produce some heavy rainfall, the possibility of hail, and strong straight-line winds. As we take a look at our temperatures across the state, we're in the low 70s in North Georgia, mid-70s in the mid-state, and upper 70s across South Georgia, and a few low 80s across the coastline. Let's take a look at the National Hurricane Center two-day tropical outlook. So we do have a yellow X on the board, a fairly disorganized system right now, but that looks like a better chance of developing possibly over the next several days. So we're just going to watch out for that, but probably not going to get a named storm out of this between now and Wednesday. But as it continues to move toward the west, we'll see how the conditions are as far as getting this storm to develop. So maybe another storm to talk about. And if so, of course, we're going to be right here to talk about it. Let's take a look at the weather model through the day today. There are those scattered showers, thunderstorms around, mainly in the eastern part of the state. And we'll head toward, here we go, 10 o'clock. Here's 11 o'clock. And we see they become a little more numerous over the Savannah River. A few thunderstorms possible over at Metro Atlanta as well. Light showers mainly in South Georgia with that cloud cover. Quite a bit of stability down that way. But then we head into this afternoon, and we'll see more thunderstorms developing, trying to get a line from Augusta to Columbus, and then another cluster of thunderstorms up around the Chattanooga area, Dalton, heading into Rome. So those could go strong to severe by about 4 o'clock this afternoon. So we'll keep an eye on that. And that line continues to try to hang on as it moves through Metro Atlanta, but will begin to fade out a bit later on this evening, but still looking at some thunderstorms there, moving in toward Columbus, toward Ellaville, and then eventually down into Dawson and Albany by about 10 o'clock tonight. And then as we head toward midnight, everything gets fairly quiet. A few scattered showers around. We still could see a few thunderstorms overnight tonight. Looks like over Tifton, Cordele at about 3 a.m. And then starting out tomorrow morning will be cloudy, humid. That means some fog around. Not a whole lot of wind happening out there. So this is a good setup for some fog tomorrow morning. And then heading through the rest of the day on Tuesday, here comes another line of thunderstorms moving into North Georgia by about 9 a.m. So once again, strong to severe thunderstorms expected with this line as this continues to push down through the North Georgia mountains toward Gainesville, Dawsonville by 10 o'clock tomorrow morning, and then on into Metro Atlanta and beginning to fade out by noon tomorrow. And still looking at some thunderstorms there with that moving into southwest Georgia very quickly by tomorrow afternoon. And then through tomorrow evening, just isolated showers and thunderstorms throughout the evening hours. Again, temperatures are going to be rising. We're going to get under a heat dome again by the time we head toward the end of the week, so expect temperatures back into the upper 90s. We'll be getting close to the century mark in a few spots as well. That's the latest from the Georgia WeatherNet. Now your local forecast from northwest Georgia to southeast Georgia.